Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get into this one, going to the garage to do some shit. Yeah, so let's get in. Managed to get rid of bare of the webs and put the torch on. There's still quite a bit there, but in there. But apart from that, like, all of that goes on down there, all along here. Something's kicking off right there. Don't know what that was. But yeah, took down those big spiders there with the flamethrower deodorant. But yeah, so there's a massive one there up in there, another one there, and there was another big one back here. But I've still got to really do this back section. But it's better than it was. Still need some TLC, but it's a lot better than it was. That's the bit. It's a cut, all shaped up ready. Today's video is sponsored by PRT. No, it's not. It's what we're going to use. Tickets, that runner there just come straight at me. I've had to bust out the new lighter. Let's go around to, let's get this bit up here. This is actually quite mad there. I'll give you a quick view of that. Done. Get a light on that. Literally like half of this fucking vid's just going to be me cleaning out this fucking garage, mate, because I hate spiders and I'm scared of them, to be honest. I kill them and that. Will from Rice and Miata, that other YouTuber, Will from Rice and Miata, that is mate, he fucking hates spiders too. And in his other app, they're like fucking in the back of his trailer and he's like kicking off, like, I ain't that bad. Do you know what I mean? But I don't want to be on the floor there, like literally here, with all this right above me, with like literally all of this shit here, just fucking shitting me up, bro. And like a spider to drop on my fucking head. That's not cool. But like all down here's better now. That one's dead, hopefully. Body there. I don't know whether to roll the car out and do it out there. It's just so many fucking spider webs and shit. I don't know. That deodorant isn't very good. It doesn't fucking light very good. Like, look at that. I know there's fucking mad spiders in there, bro. That's all spider web. That black stuff is all spider web. Not there, that isn't. But that shit is. Oh, maybe it's not actually. No, it's not, Holy shit. Some carcasses, bro. Like, that just screams spider to me. The garage next to me is fucking worse, bro. I can't look since like that, bro. I'd be shook. They've got webs on the outside. Like, oh shit, bro. We're not going there. No way. Fuck that. That's how you fucking do it, boys. That's how we do this thing out here. Get me. Give me. Fuck that, bro. Give me this little corner here. Take 3. Burn them motherfucking tires. Hey, that's pretty good now, to be fair. Mate, I just deaded off a black widow over here. I knew there was one still over there because when I first come here, one dropped and fell over in this corner, and then when I flamed it, a different spider come out, and I was wondering if it was still over there. Big old black widow dropped down, mate, took it out. But right, let's get these wheels off. Up this wheel. Oh, the car just moved. Fuck. Oh, is that even the right way? Left and loose. Yeah, it is. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Yes. There we go. Biggest spanner you've ever seen. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, please don't do that again. Please. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, I didn't scratch it, I've done that, that's good. Come on, boys. I think it was changing every time. So annoying. Last one. Come on, please. Oh, shit, right. Fun. Fun. Oh, yes. I love that shit. Love that shit. Got jacked. Fucking hell. That's it. Right work, boys, right work. Yeah. Fucking knife, okay. Any oh my god. There's just so many fucking spider webs in it, bro. It's not even funny, bro. It's legit. It's just disgusting. Just disgusting. They've literally been trying to come for me, bro. I'm telling you. The other day I got jumped by like 2-3 of them. Yeah, man. Lucky to be alive with my life and that. It's mad. So you can see the section there. Actually looks worse than I remember, to be honest. The top looks better and the bottom looks worse. So it's not good. Yeah, man. I'm fucking get the jacket. Do you know what? I'm not even going to use this one because it's just fucking so high. I don't really need it to be that high. I could do it at this height that it is now. Take the wheel off. But like, if you look at how high the jacket is, it's nowhere near you're going to get under. These things are so high, they're like 31 inches, and it's just, I don't need it that high. So I'm going to wait and change it, get the other jack and use that one. It's a normal height one. So, and then yeah, I'll pump it up and use that one instead, because that one's just way too high, man. I don't really need it that high. If I'm like jacking up the whole car, then it's alright, because you've got enough room to go underneath it and that, but just doing the front wheel, I don't need it mad high like that. So I'll just get the other new jack, the smaller one, from my dad, so let's put that in, and then try and get the Jenny going so we can cut this section out. So let's get it. The Jenny is out. That's it. That's it. Choke. Smell that ass. Let it run for 5 minutes before putting it under a load. Get this bit out. Just cut it up. See what she's looking like after. bit is so much thicker than I thought it was. It's got to be like 3-4 mil thick. Fucking hell. Bit's cut round now. Just need to do that top bit along the top there, and that whole bit should come out, and we'll be able to see what's behind there with the rot. And then this bit here, cut out. Just cut it out. Fucking hell. Doesn't look good. Oh my god. I don't even want to take this off. Thank fuck for that, bro. I thought there was like more rust behind it. Oh, there kind of is there. Oh, I feel a bit better. That's kind of just spongy shit. Yeah, buzzing, mate. Generator started up good, everything, man. Shouldn't have the Jenny running too long. But yeah, hopefully I'll be able to cut this bit. Or make, yeah, because that was a hole there, so hopefully I'll be able to not have to cut out this big flange bit. But yeah, got it done, mate. Need to get this. What is that? It's like sponge. I didn't know they put sponge behind frames. Look how fresh that bit is behind there though. Holy shit, bro. Like, come at me.